Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn how to make custom HTML tags. Alright, so let's say that I want to make a tag called square, right? I guess. Let's just put some text in it. If we open it, it's just gonna see the text you put in it, nothing else. But if we link a CSS file, then we'll be able to style these custom elements. So I'm gonna say square. So I'm gonna say width 50px, height 50px, border 5px, solid black. So let me just get rid of this text inside of it. Well, I mean, it shows that. Right, so if I want, instead of writing it like this, I can just put a slash here and make the tag, you know, like how that is. So let me just add some padding, like I don't know, 20px. Reduce the border from 5px to 2px. Alright, so yeah. Anyways, just make like a center tag. What the center tag gonna do is just gonna center anything inside of it. So let's say center. Center. Okay, no, I can't do that. Alright, so let's say position relative. And we're going to say top 50 VH, right 50 VW. Oops, and here just to left. Alright, so now it's in the center. Well, kind of, but whatever. I'll just say this to padding left, yes. Alright, so let's just make like a custom navigation bar. So I'm gonna say nav. So I'm gonna say span home span. About, and then there's going to be a span contacts. Alright, so I'm going to say nav bar. Its background is going to be black. The padding is going to be 20px. Oh yeah, let me also just add a style to the body, which will make it so that it's margin 0. Padding 0. Alright, so padding is going to be 20px. The text color is going to be white. And so I'm going to say navbar dot. I'm going to say navbar everything inside the navbar. I'm going to say padding left 20px. So now it does that. I'm also gonna say padding right 10px. So I'm gonna change the padding left to 10px as well. Now everything's equal. I'm gonna say text size, no, font size. Font size will be like 24px. I'm gonna say navbar heading. So I'm going to add a heading tag to the navbar. I'm going to say, I'm just going to say head. Alright, so let's start this navbar heading. I'm going to make its font size to be bigger, like 32px. And I'm gonna make the font weights to be more bold. Oh yeah, also, everything in the navbar, I'm gonna look at the font family of monospace. And, alright, so, I'm going to say margin top 5px. Right. So instead, I'm just going to say position relative. And top 5px. Alright, that's better. So I'm going to say width 100%. Alright, so we can't do that currently. So instead, I'm just gonna add another span. I'm gonna have a bunch of spaces in it. Okay, whatever. Let's just not have that in the. Right, so. Let's say width 500 px. Anyways, you basically have a nav bar, so let's just add in pointer, cursor, pointer. Yeah, that. But now it looks like you can click on them, even though you actually can't. I'm also gonna say select, user select, none. So now I'm not gonna be able to select this. So yeah. We can make like a BG tag. Just make it to be like this. And so I'm just going to say BG. I was gonna say it's called background. This background's going to be blue or something like that. We can't really see it. We need to add a width, so it's going to be 50px. And height also going to be 50px. Let me just add a border. Okay, solid. As you can see, it's there. Let me just increase the width more. 100, and height will also be 100. This one just hides the nav bar. It's gonna show there. So yeah, that's how to use custom tags in HTML and CSS. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave, like, and subscribe. So bye.